Guys, welcome back to another video. We're in the Frank Center. Ugh. Look all the way down there. Holy. We just came out, see? So yeah, this might be a short video. I don't know. But we stopped because what's moving? I think I've been here when I was like 5 or 6. It's big. Okay. Wonder what area we're going to. Big, really open. Play hide and seek here. Huh. Ooh. Strange. Almost tripped. Oh. Tripped again. I'm gonna end this video here, I guess. So bye.